Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will guide you about how you can create and delete table in SQL database. In my previous video tutorial, I have created a database with the name of school, and we have two ways to create a table. The first one is to right click over table and click on create new table, and here we have a GUI form builder where we can write the name of attributes in the column name and data type here and allow nullable check uncheck by clicking simply and writing the data information along with that. And if you want to create a primary key, then you can allow or mark true for the identity type as true for the primary key, and then right click over here to generate a script which you can execute in your new query to create a table. Let's do that. I will say id, type is int, and name as navchar 10. Okay, both are allow nullable, and click here to make it identity. Here we have identity specification, here identity is yes to make it primary key, and now click here and click on generate change script and copy this and execute that script over here, but remember to change the name of table 1 like general for example, I just say that it's name. Okay, and here name, and now execute, refresh the table, refresh the whole database tables. After some time it's appear over here because I think it's taking a lot or processing that table, and now expanding it. Okay, right now it's not visible, but it will. And the second method is to create manually by writing create table and the name of the table like I will say info, and here in parentheses first should be the name of the column like id and type int, then I will say name id as int, city as navchar 50, and now execute this. Okay, navchar is not okay, varchar, and execute. So now refresh that, and now we have two tables. But how we can judge that? Simply use a school here and pass the query to select some data, select all from info, and when you execute, okay, it's not working. Oops, there is error. And what is that? When we have execute the queries, we have selected as master. Okay, as master. And what is the master DB? Here is the master DB, and the data and the tables were created in this context. Now we have to create the tables again by here is this. I have selected school, execute, and now view in the school we have a table DBO name, and now create table info id int name or simply city as here we will say name id and city varchar 30 and execute this, refresh it. So we have two table here. Now we have created successfully tables. Now what we will do, we will drop them. So simply I will say drop table and the name of the table, that is info, and execute. So this table is get deleted from the database school, and here you can view that. And even that, if you don't want to remove the database or delete data table, you can empty that by using truncate. Like I will insert some data, I will say insert into name and dbo.name column name value should be Junaid, and execute. Okay, one value is inserted. Now select that value, dbo dot name, and execute. So we have one record, and if we don't want to delete the table, we can empty the whole table and start its counter from the 0 index or the first index by truncate dbo dot name, and here should be table keyword first to let know what we want to truncate, and execute. Now select the fetch, try to fetch the data from table, and we have nothing. And when we will again insert the data, it will start the counter from 1. I hope this video tutorial is informative for you. If you have any kind of question regarding this, you can ask us. Don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.